In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can upgrade the look of your ebook. So this is how it's going to look like. We're going to give a flip page effect to our ebook, and it's going to look like this. And we can even place sound to it, sound of turning page. So let's learn how to do it. So I'm gonna leave the link below or in the description of this video. I'm gonna leave in the description of this video the link for you to access this Flipsnack tool, which is a website. You do not need to install anything on your computer. You do have to create an account, which is free up to 30 pages of a book. So if your book is less than 30 pages, you can use this tool freely without any charge. If it is more than that, then you can opt for a premium version of this tool. And all you're going to do is you're going to log into your account using Gmail or Facebook. You're going to go here, upload PDF. So you're going to have a PDF document and click here, upload files. Choose the PDF version of your ebook, open it, and it's gonna start to upload. Click next. On the left hand side, we can customize a couple of things which do not have the crown feature, which are premium. We are only using the free version in this tutorial. We can choose the appearance of branding, classic skin or new skin, so you can try it out to see which one you prefer. I'm going to go for the classic one. You can give a hardcover effect. Shadow on page, I would definitely turn that on. And also, I want the auto flip page, so when the person clicks on your link, it's going to automatically, after a couple of seconds, you can choose how many seconds you want each page to be turned automatically. And I like to have it on the flip sound, which it's a little bit cool, just for you to show your work. I'm going to just turn it off now, just because for sake of this tutorial. Once you have chosen the options you want, it's time to save and share. You click here on the right hand side. You're going to give it a name. So this is my vegan ebook. You can also give a description. And here, since we are using the free version of this tool, we can only use the public visibility. That meaning this document will be open to the public. But if you pay for this tool, you can choose unlisted, password locked, or invited by email. In this case, we are just going to use public. Now, all I have to do is to copy this URL and share it with people that I want to have access to my ebook with a flip page effect. And the person will have access to my flip page ebook.